everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here in my driveway getting ready to clean my Jeep. I've been off-roading and my Jeep got really muddy. So I rinsed all the mud off and now I'm gonna wash my Jeep. When you wash your Jeep, you're gonna be inspecting it for things that you may find you need to fix on your Jeep, rust spots or leaks. So I'm gonna share with you my top 5 hacks to keep everything clean on your Jeep, to keep it lasting longer so you can enjoy more time out on the trails, on the roads with your Jeep. Number 5 is the spots inside my Jeep. I always seem to get mud on the plastic, and I like to use the Mr. Clean magic erasers. You can see all the dirt it's pulled up already. You just rub it on and it pulls up all the dirt. Number 4 is tire foam, and this is not for your tires. This is for your black plastic fenders. I've tried many products and Mother's Back to Black works really well, but it's a lot of work. This is super easy and simple. It's not forever because you're gonna get your Jeep muddy again, but this works really well and it's fast and easy. So you just spray it on like you do the tires. And then you let it sit till it clears up, and once you start seeing drips, then you will take a cloth and wipe it clean, and then you can take that cloth, which has the liquid on it, and rub it on your door handles and maybe your ruby rails if you have them. It just shines them up and makes them look nice and clean. Number 3, once your Jeep is clean and your undercarriage has been washed, which I'll share with you in the number 2 and number 1 tips, but once your Jeep is clean and dried off and everything's clean, you're gonna wanna use what's called fluid film. You spray this on your undercarriage of your Jeep. Just be careful of your brakes and the exhaust. And this is a rust and corrosion prevention. This is something that you should do, especially if you live in areas where there's lots of road salt or near the ocean, because this is going to help protect your Jeep from the salt and the rust. So spray this on the undercarriage. Usually I do it twice a year, in the fall and the spring, when I do my winter and springtime prep for my Jeep. Fluid film, number 3. The number 2 Jeep clean hack is using your hose to clean the inside of your frame of your Jeep Wranglers. This works on the JKs. There are holes in the frame, there are drain holes, and this helps get rid of all the yucky mud and dirt that's in there and helps prevent from rust to grow inside your frame. You should see, look at this. See all that dirt coming out of there? Yuck. See, you can see, look at that. Yuck. The number 1 Jeep cleaning hack is using a sprinkler. As Jeep owners, underneath our Jeep is very important. We have all those precious parts under there that we've worked so hard to upgrade, to maintain, so we can go off-roading and protect our Jeep. And you want to keep those parts clean. You're going to want to keep them clean from the mud and the dirt and the salt. All of that stuff is bad for your Jeep, creates rust, and that's not good. So, sprinkler, put it under your Jeep. And you're going to want to do this in like little phases to make sure that all the parts are clean. And all I do is turn it on and let it sit, and it gets rid of most of that mud and dirt on your Jeep. So those were my top 5 Jeep cleaning hacks for your Jeep Wrangler. Do you have any cool cleaning tips? Share them in the comments below. And please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more of Jeep Momma's Garage.